In this video, we will be covering important SAQs, short answer questions from the topic differentiation, mainly on first principle. So the question is, find the derivative of sin2x cos ax log x using first principle. So dear students, every year they ask a question, an SAQ from this topic, that is using first principle, and we can easily score +4 marks. So let us solve the first part, and I recommend you to kindly watch this video with the utmost attention and do practice this question once again without seeing, right? So the first question is sin2x. We need to find the derivative of sin2x using first principle, right? Let us say let f of x is equals to sin2x, right? Given. This is given. So what does the procedure say? So procedure says that f dash of x is equals to limit h approaches to 0. Please write h properly. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. I hope this is clear. So wherever x is there, for f of x plus h, we need to replace that with x plus h, right? So if that is clear, now f dash of x will be limit h approaches to 0. Wherever x is there, we have to replace x with x plus h. So sin 2 times x plus h minus f of x is sin 2x divided by h, right? So we will get limit h approaches to 0 sin of 2x plus 2h minus sin 2x divided by h. So dear students, now you should remember this formula, that is sin c minus sin d is equals to 2 cos c plus d divided by 2 sin c minus d divided by 2. Please remember this formula, okay? Right. Now we can write this above step as sin c. C is this 2x plus 2h and d is 2x. So we can write this as 2 cos 2x plus 2h plus 2x divided by 2 multiplied with sin 2x plus 2h minus 2x divided by 2. I hope you understood this step. C plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, right? Now we can write this as limit h approaches to 0 2 times. Now cos 2x plus 2x is 4x. 4x divided by 2 is 2x. And 2h divided by 2 is h. I hope this is clear. And next we have sin of this 2x and this 2x gets cancelled. 2h divided by 2 is h. So sin h divided by h. Now we can individually apply the limit. Now this part will be 2 times cos. We can replace h with 0. So 2x plus 0. And what is left is limit h approaches to 0 sin h divided by h. So dear students, all of us know that this value is 1. So we can comfortably write this as 2 cos 2x into 1. So therefore, f dash of x is 2 cos 2x. That means the derivative of sin 2x using first principle is 2 cos 2x, right? Now let us solve the next question, that is cos ax. Second is very, very important, right? Now we have f of x is equals to cos ax. What is f of x plus h? It should be cos a times x plus h. That means it should be cos of ax plus ah. I hope this is clear, dear students. So limit h approaches to 0. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is limit h approaches to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, right? This is clear. So this is the formula. So that means this should be equal to limit h approaches to 0. What will f of x plus h be? It will be cos of ax plus ah minus f of x is cos ax divided by h. I hope this is clear. Now cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Dear students, please make a note of this formula. It should be remembered by all of you. Please do memorize this. So now based on that we can write this as limit h approaches to 0 cos c minus cos d. This can be written as minus 2 times sin c. What is c? ax plus ah plus d. What is d? ax divided by 2. And again we will write sin of axc minus d divided by 2. I hope this is clear, right? And divided with h, right? Now we can write this is equals to limit h approaches to 0 minus 2 times sine ax plus ax is 2ax. 2ax divided by 2 is simply ax. And next we are left with ah by 2 into, we can comfortably cancel this. So we will be left with ah by 2, right, divided by h. So dear students, let us recall the formula limit h approaches to 0, or let us say x approaches to 0. Sin x divided by x is 1, right? I'll once again write limit x approaches to 0, sin x by x is 1. So we will be using that, and we can take this minus 2 outside. We get minus 2 times limit h approaches to 0. We are left with sine of ax plus ah by 2 into, now sin x by x is 1. So here we have, instead of x, we have ah by 2. So now we will do one thing. We will multiply and divide with a by 2. I hope this is clear, because now this value, now this is nothing but sine of ah by 2 by ah by 2, right? This value should be 1, right? So minus 2 times, here we can write, here replace h with 0, we can say ax plus 0 divided by 2 into, this is 1, this value is 1, into a by 2. We have an a by 2 here, right? So this should be, finally we can cancel this 2 and this 2. Ultimately we are left with minus sine ax multiplied with a. So finally we get minus a sine ax, right? So that means, therefore f dash of x is equals to minus a sine ax. Dear students, this was a very, very important question, right? We can expect this in the final exam also. Now the third question is find the derivative of log x using first principle. So dear students, you can try this question as a homework. I'll give you a hint. F of x is equals to log x. So what is f of x plus h? That should be log of x plus h. So therefore f dash of x should be limit h approaches to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So please work it out and do solve it. Please do comment the answer in the comment section. So this is a homework question. Please do comment the answer for this question in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.